We came to the lake 9 years ago after the previous refurbishments, and there wasn't a lot round here. We've raised money through different events and brought stuff so to make this a better area for people to come to. But unfortunately over the years we've lost a lot of active members, and where we used to clean and maintain the actual inside of the lake we've not been able to do. So the purpose of today is just to say thank you and to reopen the lake after a joint venture between ourselves, United Utilities, Amy, local council, and the support we've been given is absolutely fantastic.
Well, I'm really pleased it's come back into use. It's one of Hoylake's brilliant coastal facilities. It really provides wonderful entertainment for people of all ages. The boating club are largely retired people, but there's no reason why youngsters can't use it as well. As a coastal community, things to do with water are particularly important. A lot of people's interest in ships and the sea, so these models provide a wonderful outlet for them.